There is something deep in the heart of every man. These deep desires, they were placed there and they were good. Deep longings and yearnings, deep passion, and they are good and your heart is good. These yearnings and longings and passion and desires have been placed in you by the Father himself for his sons. Deep in the heart of every man, there is a question. Do I have what it takes? Do I have what it takes to be a man? What is in me? What is in me that makes me a man? These deep drivers in you, these passions, these yearnings, drive you for an adventure and a quest and a call bigger than your own life. You've been called as a son to be one that rescues the beauty, that protects the beauty, that comforts her and looks after her and provides for her. Not use her and abuse her and sexually and appropriately relate to her. Sometimes this energy and passion and desire drives us to be angry, aggressive and violent men. Sometimes this deep love and passion and energy drives us to treat women as objects and treat them inappropriately. But that doesn't mean what God placed in you, what resides in you, is not good. Rise up, young men, sons of the Father. Be who you are. Be what you were made for. Your heart is good. Do you really believe this? If you do, you'll be dangerous. You'll be awesome. And you'll be alive.